Hello, in this video I'm going to check if this iPhone 15 Plus have the reverse wireless charging. So normally you can charge this phone wireless, that's very obvious, but let's see if we can charge second phone with this iPhone. So here I have the iPhone 15. Whoa, sorry for that, I'm gonna lock the phone. Here I have the iPhone 15 and let's put it on this iPhone 15 Plus, but as you can see it is not charging. So it means that the iPhone 15 Plus doesn't have the reverse wireless charging. I can charge my iPhone 15 on the charger, but cannot on the iPhone 15 Plus. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.